Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Before I start the video, I just want to say a big thank you to Dinnerware Godson that sent me this gorgeous table setting. Guys, as you can see, I love flowers and I love everything about her table setting. She made it so beautiful, guys, and you can see every detail in the centerpiece. Super gorgeous. I love it so much. Thank you so much, Deborah. I love it. Please don't forget to send me the Christmas table setting. Okay guys, let's go to the video and keep on watching. Everything that I'm going to use in this video and more, I got those from the thrift store and they are super cloudy right now. I'm going to wash them before I start the video. I got the green waves from Maxx, and guys, I love them because you see the color, it's a fall color, like when the branch are changing colors. They're super gorgeous, and there's no particular way to add them. I just go with the flow where my imagination can take me. The flowers, the garland flowers from Maxx as well. I wear gloves just to prevent my fingerprints on the glass because it doesn't look good after I touch it. I always take some time to welcome everyone that's new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here, guys. Please, before you leave, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Whenever I post a new video, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me, product review, vlog, weekly vlog. If you're not new, guys, and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so right now. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you guys. I love you all, and keep on watching.
Chase that morning, close your eyes. You wanna wake up where there's no goodbyes, and all your numbered days return to one. So I'll just stop and say what you will, 'cause I'm saying what you want. I won't grow up, I will come rising on your face. Say what you feel, say anything.
Okay guys, let me tell you, if you don't want to spend money or you cannot afford to spend money, you come into the right place, because in my channel I got ideas for you. And let me tell you guys, everything that I'm doing in this video are super inexpensive. There's a big difference between on budget and cheap. They're not cheap. I just pay less for them because, you know guys, if I cannot afford the full price, I go to the thrift store or I buy in clearance. I just make it work. For any reason, the item that I want is not in clearance and I cannot pay full price for it, I just DIY it. I just found a way to make it work. So guys, I'm gonna give you a great idea how to make your home look luxuriously beautiful for less. And guys, in this video you're going to see I mix and match my colors, and all of them are complementing each other. They're extremely beautiful together. And please don't forget to watch the video till the end. I'm going to tell you where I got everything. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share it. Guys, I did 2 beautiful sets with this beautiful centerpiece, and guys, I haven't lit up the candles yet, as you can see, and the table is super gorgeous. And guys, those plates, I trimmed them, and let me tell you, all of them they're so beautiful, guys, and they're very, very beautiful together. And I forgot to turn it, they're super good brain. And as you can see, my napkin rings from Amazon, the napkin itself from Mat, and my wine glass from the Dollar Tree, and all the candle from Publix. And as you can see, guys, I have just put a little candle holder just to put underneath my candle. And guys, just to prevent fire, because you know I'm going to light them up. That's why I put it this way. Just as you can see, when all the candle I light up, super gorgeous, guys. I love it so much. Let me know, what do you think? If there's something you're going to recreate, or what do you think? Just let me know down below. For my glam lovers, as you can see, you can just add a few things and you just change your look. Super beautiful either way, guys. Let me know down below, what do you think? If you like the first one or you like this one better, just let me know. I would love to know. For the end table, I just add this plate. They're similar, the same design. However, this one has a brass gold rim. It's super nice, go perfectly with my decor. And guys, this charger is so beautiful. I get it from Amazon. And the dining plate at Thrift Store.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you.
For the side table, all the plates are white. The design are similar with the end table. The only difference, this one is all white and have the same charger, and the white plate, very nice. And guys, those one I thrift them as well. Guys, I have videos on where I purchased my everything, so if you missed this video, I'm going to put it in the description box down below, my thrift finds. So I had so many beautiful things, but I haven't had time to use them yet. And guys, I'm starting using them little by little. In this silverware, I get it from Amazon, and I like them. They like gold and silver all together, very nice. And yeah, as you can see, everything looks so beautiful. Let me know down below, what do you think? If it's something that you might recreate, or if there's anything you like in the video and you would like to purchase, I'm going to leave some link in the description box down below for you guys. Make sure to check it out.
Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon merci, je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci pour votre support, guys. Je vous aime.
As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur la chaîne moi. Si c'est la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager la vidéo avec mes amis. Et si vous pas la première fois, tout le monde dit merci en pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos. Moi j'aime en pile. Bisous.
Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love.
To let you all guys know that watching me today, my viewers, my subscribers, everyone around the world that watching me today, just want to let you know, guys, whenever I'm counting my blessing, you guys are a super big part of it. Thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.